So I guess the starting point for the campaign was that around our factories, around our sites, we did what I would describe as really a deep dive into our lockout, tagout procedures. There were some very good learnings coming from that. Then in terms of how we then raised the profile or really drove the message home with the employees. There were a lot of visual campaigns, marketing assisted with getting the messages all correct, but it was really getting in front of the employees through our safety huddles. And I would still say as well, we're still on the journey, it never ends. It's not something that we can afford to take our focus away on, but I think we're on the right path.
Entanglement in machinery and the consequences of it are one of the fatal six in our industry, and we're no different here in 5 Milltown AG. There's a serious need for lockout and lockout systems to keep people safe. So in AG, it's been a journey where we have promoted and improved the systems in terms of lockout and tagout. And in particular, recently, we have adopted a tag which has been personalised. So there's a person's photograph and their name on the tag, which is clearly visible for the piece of machinery that has been tagged and locked out. I think that's a brilliant step forward. It's personalised, as I say, the actual, taking of the photograph and the name of the person. And it has created ownership of the fact that machine is properly locked out and communicates it to everybody in the area. As well, you have a statement on the front, really empowering the person who's reading the tag to keep me safe. On the back of the tag, we've got our Lotto 9-step procedure, which is the proper procedure for effectively locking out. I think we need to be reminded always of what the proper procedure is. And I go through that in my audits, where we now have 9 tasks for proper lockout, and we go to the end of the tasks and work our way backwards, which is just another way of really honing in on the proper aspects of it. So for the guys on the ground that are carrying out the lockout task, they can quickly refresh themselves before they actually carry out the task, because it is a remembering process of the proper procedure to keep you safe. So from our Lock, Tag, Live promotion, we've seen reporting coming straight through our Good Catch reporting system. And I think a good example of that would be Mark Wilson's Good Catch. He saw the work that we were all doing on fixed plant, and he applied it to mobile plant. So we now have a Lotto for mobile plant, which again is a clearly visible tag, which shows that a piece of plant is red or green. Is available or should not be available for work. Since Lock, Tag and Live has been launched, we've seen an 85% reduction in that fatal 6 category.
Every day you go home safe in AG, you have to think at the end of it's been a good day. But we know the risks, we know the dangers only too well. So the campaign has certainly helped, it has certainly delivered for us, but we're by no means finished the journey.